You know what that means. This match will start in 3, 2, 1, go!
Away we go. Ultraviolet coming in close, scoring 3-4 blue. 1-4-2-0 for the Super Screen Machine, developing that very effective tactic of clearing the ramp, hoovering up artifacts, and shooting. Iron Nest, low robot, keeping place. They're trying to scoop up artifacts, trying to get into position. Lob, 1, 2, 3. That blue classifier is beautifully full. On the other hand side, the other red robot, Radioactivity, has gone and parked itself in the blue loading zone. They will need to move out of there as the pilots take control in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And away we go. Ultraviolet clearing their ramp, coming up with 2 artifacts, and their paddle shooters lob them beautifully into their controllers. Iron Nest also scoring 4 blue. Blue keeping pace and actually leading a little bit. Blue and red neck and neck. Despite the ranking differences, the teams are ganging up and employing very complementary strategies. Here comes Ultraviolet with 3. They launch 2. And they go. Empty the classifier ramp again. Ultraviolet coming back in up close. They launch 2 more and they score 2 more. Iron Nest chasing into some red robot action. Iron Nest getting loaded at the blue loading zone and scoring. Contact being called between Ultraviolet and Radioactive. 14204 has beached itself a little bit on a gate, has reversed and managed to free itself, get some artifacts, but they were briefly kind of like pausing to think about physics and gravity in a meaningful way. Super Screen Brothers continue to pick up artifacts, continue to use their small wheelbase and maneuverability as advantage. Iron Nest, contact on red in the blue secret tunnel zone near the red gate. That's going to be a call. The referees resolved that. Iron Nest scoring 2 out of their 3 attempts. Ultraviolet going into the red loading zone, getting contact, and coming up with 3 purple artifacts, all of which land beautifully in the blue classifier. They're keeping pace neck and neck here, 184 to 161, red and blue, as we head into the end game. Ultraviolet coming in to get loaded. They are loaded. They pick it up from the ground clearance, and we've got 10 seconds to go. Parking strategies are starting to become important. Both red robots in place, both blue robots in place. 1 second to go and done. A 40
The Red Alliance takes the victory. 119 with a score of 236 to 203. Super Screen Bros is solidly in the number 2 spot with that 5 ranking points, but match number 120 has 2 heavy hitters that could launch them into the number